Hey everyone, when AI has just released their 2.2 video model, it comes with many upgrades compared to the previous version. The model is creating a lot of hype on the internet, claiming it can generate natural motion. So today we will check all these claims and see whether it deserves the hype or if it can beat other video models. Let's find out. First, open your Chrome browser and type van.video and press the enter. Here you go, click on generate. Now click on sign up, and if you are already signed up, you can click on login with Google. I'm going to sign up. Here type your name, your email address and create your password. Here type the mail verification code and click on continue. So here you can see the main interface. On the top right corner you can see upgrade option. Click on it. Now click on check in to earn 10 credits. You will got 10 credits which is valid for 1 day. On the bottom select the video option and select text to video. Select WAN 2.2 and select the ratio. Now paste the desired prompt, click here and it will take some time. Now here you can see the results. It's like a movie scene. Awesome. Now I'm gonna generate video from an image. On the bottom select the image to video option and click on add image. Select the desired image and paste the prompt, press the enter and click on accelerate and wait for a while. So finally you can see the amazing results. It's awesome. If you want to generate multiple videos, you must have multiple Gmail accounts. Through one account you can generate a single video for free. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.